So apparently my daughter just gave me a little drink. So I'm going to enjoy this. Can I have a burger, please? Thank you. Oh, she's getting my burger. So I just got my burger. She gave it to me. Where's the manager, please? I want to speak to the manager. This is bad. This is bad service. You gave me the burger and now you want it back. Okay, cool.